Welcome to the future of fulfillment. We're excited to be here at IPack Expo. Fulfillment is a really interesting space for us. We are fully committed to being knowledge leaders in this space. And as we've gone and engaged with customers, we're learning some very important trends. First one is, there's been a vast proliferation of different ways that people are looking to fulfill. Some people are fulfilling straight from the brand owners, some are fulfilling through 3PLs, some are fulfilling from the back of their stores. There's so many different ways that people can engage and fulfill products. So as we think about our solutions, it's about how do we meet customers where they are? How do we address the needs that they have? It's not just omni-channel anymore, it's like omni-channel. So we're also concerned about labor. One of the great stats, about half of all e-commerce ships in the last 6 weeks of the year. Well, that's just a lot of instantaneous demand. So customers are looking, how do I manage my labor expense? How do I deal with the fact that it's hard to get talented labor? And beyond that, how do I make sure that I've got good capital efficiency? Because some people are worried about automation not being flexible. We're also thinking about how do we reduce shipping costs? Dim weight's a big deal. It continues to be a big deal. So we think about how can we help the customers reduce their shipping expense, because in many ways, freight is the single most important cost dynamic when it comes to order fulfillment. And then finally, warehouse costs. It costs more and more to be able to have warehouse space. We see Wall Street Journal talks to us about the fact in the last year, warehouse costs has gone up 4.1% in North America. And we're seeing this trend across the globe. So as we think about these trends, we think about what are we doing here at Sealed Air? So here in the product care booth, we've got a lot of solutions to help address these challenges. One of them is our FloWrap. We're very excited about our FloWrap platform. The engineering team has worked hard based upon feedback from customers to make it show that WMS integration is that much better. We're also making sure that we can enable reverse logistics. This is a solution that's ideal for apparel e-commerce fulfillment. So that being said, apparel happens to be the most frequently returned item in e-commerce. So we needed to ensure we had a solution that enabled reverse logistics. So we have a great stat. A lot of the research we've done, 89% of customers say if they have to return a product, they want to return it the original packaging. It feels more sustainable. FloWrap enables that. I also think about what we're doing to try to reduce the amount of packaging in the stream. Great article early this year for the New York Times talking about how consumers are increasingly concerned about the amount of corrugated as e-commerce proliferates. So we've got a new solution called Stealth Wrap. It conceals that box, and in doing so, you're able to reduce the amount of dim weight by 87% and the total billable weight by 79%. So a transformative solution that's far more sustainable, leverages our CT micro-layering technology, and delivers something delightful to that customer, real cost savings. I also think about some of the other solutions we have in this space. We of course have our IPack solutions here. IPack is great in cube optimization. You adjust the height of a box, you can reduce the amount of void by anywhere from 30 to 60%. And of course, that's a hugely efficient sustainability play for our fulfillment partners. We also think about ship from store. We think about how else do people fulfill? Well, at this show, we're introducing Nano Express. It's going to be available about mid-2017. This solution, quarter of the cost of our current IB Express platform, it enables customers, it enables small business, but it really enables retailers and e-commerce, ship from store fulfillment to use the most intuitive packaging material on the planet, inflatable bubble wrap, in their stores to augment their fulfillment. And along with that, we're introducing our FloWrap Flow product. Again, great solution. It provides on-demand void fill solutions. So again, cost-effective, intuitive, able to use in the back of a store, just recognizing there's so many different ways to fulfill, and here at Sealed Air and Product Care, we have every base covered. So that's the future of fulfillment. The cool thing about the future is it keeps on coming. So next year, there'll be even more new things, but right now, we got to get after it and get these new introductions, these new ideas into the hands of our customers.